Alright, friends, we have this Tiger and Holite here. It's been arrived been few days ago. Very nice, and you got this nice logo from Lucy Fox. You can go gold logo from them or the other one with the silver. So I choose that, and this is Holite, and it's a tiger eye. So when you order two or more than like $100 or 120 even, they give you this one for free, but only when you order 120. But if not, I think you don't have any free. So here it is, the meaning of this one. Fusion of strength and calm, grounded action and peaceful clarity. Tiger eye, this one, to spark confidence, courage, and forward focused momentum, helping you stay focused and determined as you move through life. Wow. And then the highlight, this one, the meaning of this, the reckon, is on the other hand, is knowing for its soothing, steadying energy, encouraging patience, emotional regulation, and a calm mind. Together, they create powerful duo that support you in staying action. This combination perfect for anyone who wants to feel grounded yet motivated, strong yet peaceful, a harmonious blend of drive and serenity in one stunning piece. Eyepiece cleared and infused. And that's nice, hey. And then this one here is a beautiful, beautiful color. It doesn't do the justice. I don't know what happened with my phone. Probably need new one because this color here is a amethyst. Really, really nice. And this another meaning to it. Guys, sorry, the video doesn't really do the justice for the color of amethyst, but it's so gorgeous. See? Okay. The amethyst again is a crystal tranquility, intuition, and spiritual protection. I like all these protections, and known as the stone of serenity. It carries deeply calming energy and soothes of mind, eases stress, and promotes emotional balance. That's amazing. So okay, I put all of them together. And then the last one but not the least, we have the yellow topaz. It's a promote joy and confidence and believed to radiate warmth, uh, possibility, and personal power. It's said to activate the solar plexus chakra, helping to boost self-confidence, courage, and motivation. Oh wow. So these are all I have, and then last year I got, or last few years I got some of these and the other color that I shown you last time. Cheers guys, not sponsored by them, just want to share to